One of the key components of strategy mappers are organizational charts. They allow you to build out the organizational structure, who reports to who, their stance, and their role. So let's jump right into Strategy Mapper. I'm in the Lightning interface, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Org Map from the drop-down list. As you can see, our org map is very visually appealing. But we'll start off with adding a new contact. Select your contact, click on Add. Next, click on Save, and your contact will be added to the org map. As you can see, he is off the org map, but now I just have to drag him and realign him to who he reports to. As you can see, he's lined up under Thomas. Now when I right mouse click on an icon, I can change their stance, because I've talked to her before. So I just want to give her the stance of for and why she's for what we're trying to sell or do within the account. I can also change her role, make her an evaluator, and save it. And you see she turns color, and she now has a new role assigned to her. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to realign Barry. I found out that he no longer reports to, he reports to somebody new. So I'm able to realign the org map in real time. I can also search on somebody if I can't see him directly on the org map, and it'll refocus the org map and highlight that individual. Org map also allows you to put open position. This is a position you know is there, you just don't know who occupies it. When you do find out, you can replace them very easy with a contact. With Joy, so I select Joy, click replace, and now that is occupied by Joy, the contact, and not open position. I can still do the same things, change your stance, change your role, just as before. The default view is collapsed, so I can go in here and click on an icon, and I can collapse that portion of the map. When I switch to line mode, it allows me to see lines of relationships between contacts. I can hover over the line and see why that line is there. I can also create a line by clicking on one individual icon and then clicking on another that creates the line. Click on the line and add notes about that line. Why is that there? Why is it important? Why is that relationship important? Search on a department. Just use this drop down, select the department, and only that department's org map will appear. I can realign the contact just like I could in the full view. I can change their stance, their role. I can even go in the line mode and see lines of relationships. To full mode, I just select none and the org map appears. I can also capture the org map if I want to export it, put it part of a QBR, or take it with me to the customer. Just right mouse click on it, click Save As. Give it a name, and then go ahead and save it. Key takeaways. Strategy Mapper is 100% native Salesforce. We leverage information already in Salesforce. There's no duplication of effort, only refining of the data. The org maps are easy to use and intuitive. Build dynamic, robust, and useful org maps in minutes. Schedule your demo today at pointintime.com/request-demo or email us at sales@pointintime.com.